I'd rather have you do this because I want to watch her. Can you see it?
Yeah, you got it going, right?
Yeah, I got it going.
Looks like it. Very exciting, isn't he?
She got it. Good girl. Good girl.
And maybe if we could get to the table, you could save the time.
Oops. Good job, Jean. Yeah. Good job for her first.